Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Side Hustle Keisha, and I am bringing you videos weekly, videos and tips on ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles that you can do either from the comfort of your home or even now, every now and then, you know what, I'm gonna get you out of the house with those cool side hustles as well. But hey, everything on this channel is making money, and I want to share this cool new opportunity that I found. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, so every time I upload a video, you're notified. Okay, listen, you guys, I have 7 top work from home side hustles that you could do from the comfort of your home. It is a guide to you. If you want to get it, drop below in the description and you can click on that link that says 7 top and fill out the information. I'll send you over your free 7 top work from home side hustle guide. You guys know that we have a Facebook group. It's Side Hustle Keisha, and I'm on Facebook and Instagram. And on Facebook, I also post the jobs that we talk about on our YouTube channel. So if you missed it on YouTube, jump on over to the Side Hustle group, click on the link, and you can get it from there. Make sure you like the page so you can get notified every time I upload new information. Let's get right into this awesome and amazing opportunity for you to make some extra money. That's what we're talking about on this channel. You guys, I found this amazing company called Awry, okay? I am going to tell you I love the mission and what Awry does. We are Awry agents, professional, driven, caring, responsive. We transform lives every day by providing objective visual information that enhances the way blind and low vision people experience and interact with the world. Let me just tell you a little bit. All right, we're going to watch this video.
Named one of the top 15 coolest startups to work for in 2018 by Glassdoor, and one of Time Magazine's best inventions for 2018, Ira connects people who are blind or have low vision to a trained professional agent dedicated to further enhancing everyday experiences. Our Ira agent team is committed to hire 100 military spouses in 2019. Learn more and apply today at www.ira.io/our-agents. I found Ira by accident. I was in the process of moving with my first military move to Shepherd Air Force Base, and someone I knew from a previous job called me one day and she was like, "Hey, I want you to work for me." Yes, I love that, but also I'm moving in 3 months. And she goes, "It's remote." And I was like, "Sign me up." I am at Shepherd Air Force Base. Getting a job here is really hard. One of my friends here, she's a military spouse as well, she was telling me about Ira, and I was like, this sounds too good to be true. So I did research, and now I'm going through training, and it's just so awesome. I also found Ira on Workforce. I was looking for something that I could do from home, and I was amazed at, just how much I could customize what I want to work, how I need to work. Sense of satisfaction in work that I really never expected to have launching into this life as like a new military spouse that like really wasn't sure what was going to happen next. It allows me to work full time and go to school because I can have like flexible hours, and that's just so cool and so nice. It's the best. Ira has just been a godsend. I love it. I tell everybody about it. I just kind of jumped in head first, and it turned out to be one of the most incredible blessings that has been in my life for a long time. What is an Ira agent?
So one of the things that I really like about Ira is when you get an agent, it's like you have a friend. They are there to help you.
Wendell, how can I help you today?
Hi, Wendell, how are you?
How you doing?
I'm in a restaurant. I want to order some food, so I want you to help me read this menu if you don't mind.
Assorted whole grain cereals with choice of low fat or whole fat milk for $4.50.
Work remotely from home.
Looks like you have the doors just ahead of you. You're going to want to angle just slightly towards your right.
Make a meaningful impact on real people's daily lives.
I heard they have great specialty burgers here. Can you show me where to find those?
Searching for burgers. I see specialty blue cheese.
It's like the agents. They want to give you the best experience possible.
Bring Ira's mission of providing instant access to visual information for anyone, anytime, anywhere to life. Be part of a close team who even put the extra effort into making team meetings, dare we say, fun. Use technology that's custom built and frequently updated by our skilled development team to support the agent experience. All with a flexible schedule, because at Ira, we understand that life happens. Learn more and apply
Apply today at www.ira.io/our-agents.
Okay, you guys, that sounds like a great opportunity. Interested in joining our team? Do you have a passion for working with people, a knack for technology, and an eye for detail? We love to hear from you. You would click apply here, but I want to give you just a little bit more information about the company. I love the whole mission and what they do and why they do it and who they do it for. You guys, this is a great opportunity. And it's not just for military spouses, but I love their mission behind hiring military spouses. I think that's amazing. This opportunity is for everyone. We're people who love what we do. Our best days are when we've made someone else's day better, and that happens every day. We have a positive impact on the world around us. Well trained and ready to assist, we're selected from hundreds of applicants and undergo a rigorous training program of self-directed online study and live sessions with experienced agents and Explore trainers. Okay, you guys, this is an awesome and amazing opportunity. Just so you know, I saw that this opportunity paid about $15 an hour. You would click on apply here, and when you go to apply, I want you guys to see what happens when you go to apply. There's a IRA agent aptitude test that you'll have to take, and I'm gonna read it to you. To be an IRA agent, you must be a citizen of the United States. You must completed high school or GED or some college preferred. Be using a computer with a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM and quad-core processor, and with at least 50 gigabytes of available memory storage. Okay, have an internet speed of at least 25 megabytes. I hope I'm getting that right. Be able to work from a private, quiet location. A successful IRA agent is someone who is a great problem solver, someone who knows how to read a map and understand public transportation systems, someone who is energized by adapting to any situation as it unfolds, someone who loves providing exceptional customer service, must have a physical ability to stand for extended periods of time, use hands-on fingers to operate computer and or smartphone, speak clearly so listeners can hear and understand the speech of another person. Visual abilities include extended viewing of computer screen, close vision, and ability to adjust focus, ability to understand and communicate spatial concepts and relationships. The following agent aptitude test is the form of multiple choice, short answer, and listening comprehension. It will take up to 35 minutes and must be completed using a computer, not a tablet, not a smartphone or Chromebook. In order to upload the required files, you will have to take this test using a Gmail account. The name and photo associated with your Google account will be recorded when you upload the files and submit this form. So they have mine in here. They know exactly where I'm coming from. Okay, so you would start here by putting your email address. Okay, just so you guys know, this is the step that you have to go through and hit next. I'm not going to the next level, but if you like this opportunity and it's something that you want to do, I want you to go here and I want you to go ahead and apply. This sounds like a great opportunity for someone who is looking to work from home part-time or work from home full-time and schedule their own hours. I hope you guys find this helpful, and if you take an opportunity to go ahead and do the aptitude test, come back and share with us. Share in the Facebook group, share under the video on YouTube, and let us know how things worked out for you. I want to know, and I know it will help the next person who may be interested in this opportunity. You guys make sure you guys are following me at Side Hustle Keisha on YouTube and on Facebook and Instagram. I want to keep you in the know of some cool and amazing opportunities, just like working at IRA. This would be a great opportunity for someone who would love to help people in need. Okay, you guys, have a great night, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you drop below in the description box and get my #1 recommendation for making passive income from home. If you like to wake up to notification that you made money in your sleep, or you like to make money while you're on vacation or at your other job, click on the link that talks about my #1 recommendation for making money online. You guys have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.